Dietary thermogenesis. Dietary thermogenesis is the production of the heat that the body maintains. The dietary thermogenesis is the energy that is used to digest food and to absorb, use, store, and transport nutrients. The energy escapes as heat and accounts for 10% of the total energy that is needed in the body. As we can see from this diagram, there is thermo and genesis. So thermo means heat and genesis means create. So thermogenesis is the creation of heat inside the body. It works by metabolizing food that produces electrons. And then electrons are then coupled with ATP, which it's coupled to form ATP, which is cellular energy. And then when electrons are uncoupled, energy is released as heat, and heat burns calories and fat, and weight loss therefore occurs. Free fatty acids trigger the uncoupling of electrons, and the lipolysis of the breakdown of fat creates fatty acids.